Hey guys, Luis here. If you're watching this video, you probably got a wooden robot kit from the library and now you want to put it together. Let's get right to it. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that you got all of the materials that you need in order to assemble this robot. Inside the bag, you will find one block for the head, one block for the body, 4 blocks for the hands and feet, 2 pieces of pipe cleaners for the legs, 1 for the neck, 2 for the arms, and a piece of sandpaper. After you make sure that you have all of the materials, sand all of the wooden blocks to make all surfaces smooth. This is the step that will take the most. However, it is the most important step because we want to get rid of all of the wood splinters. And we want your character to look nice, especially if you're thinking of painting it. After you've sanded the wooden blocks, grab all 5 pieces of pipe cleaner, fold them in half, and twist them. Be careful not to poke yourself. Ask an adult if you need assistance with this step. I am going to grab one of my 1x1 pieces and I'll insert one of the twisted pipe cleaners into it. Then I am going to grab the body of the robot, which has a few holes in it, and I will connect them. Do the same thing for the other arm, the legs, and the neck. Your robot should look something like this. It is up to you if you want to have long arms and short legs or vice versa. You can do whatever you like with it. This is your project. Give it your own touch. I forgot to mention that we have included a set of googly eyes. However, we did not include any glue. But if you have some glue at home, feel free to glue the eyes to the head, or you can just do one eye, maybe 2 or 3. It's up to you. Thank you for watching, and please share your creations with us through our Facebook page.